Rutuja,
Yes, sir.
during these few days you would have seen,
Yes, sir.
and in the interview in the SSB, the question has not changed for last 50, 60 years, or maybe or more that much.
Sir.
And the question is same. I'll ask you the same question,
Sir.
and you try and answer.
Sir.
Okay. And in between, if there is something, I'll be able to talk about it
Sir.
or clarify. You're going to tell me about yourself, your performance in studies during last few years.
Sir.
Also tell me about class 10th and 12th.
Sir.
Then tell me about the subjects that you have taken in 11th and 12th,
Sir.
and also once in the college in your graduation.
Sir.
Then about the streams you chose, obviously it's a part of it.
Sir.
Your favorite teacher or teachers and why. Then what are your interests and hobbies? Then about your achievements in these. Then about circle of your friends. Who are your friends? How often do you meet them? When and where? And what is it that you normally discuss with them? Then tell me about your family members. With whom do you prefer to interact more? Father, mother, sisters. And also tell me about your extended family. And how often you meet or interact with them. Then what's your daily routine like? That is right from the morning you wake up till you go to sleep on a working day or during holidays. Then what's your aim in life? What is it that you want to do? And how have you prepared the roadmap for it? This is it.
So I'd start from my educational qualifications. From class 1st to class 10th, I was studying in Convent of G. St. Mary, Chelsea in Shimla, sir. I'll start with my marks from 8th standard. In 8th standard, I got a CGPA of 9.4. In 9th standard, I got a CGPA of 9.2. 10th standard, I got a CGPA of 9.6. So for 11th and 12th, I went back to my hometown in Maharashtra. I studied from Shriman Jaisingh Rao Ghatge High School. I opted for science stream, sir. I had subjects physics, chemistry, maths, biology. In 11th standard, sir, I got a percentage of 69. And in 12th standard, sir, I got a percentage of 74.3. I also appeared for my JEE exam, which is for engineering. I got a percentile of 83 with a rank of 1,50,000 all over India. So subsequently, after my graduation, became a part of St. Bede's College. I opted for political science stream in the college, sir. And in my very first year of graduation, I got 85%. My second year result is to be out.
Stop you.
Sir.
When you went to, went to Bombay, class 12 you got 72%.
Sir, I went to Kolhapur.
Kolhapur.
Yes, sir.
And there you did your 12th.
Yes, sir. 11th and 12th.
11th and 12th, then St. Bede's you came to the college again.
Yes, sir.
Shimla.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. So I came to St. Bede's College in Shimla. I opted for BA Political Science there. In my first year of graduation, I got 85% in my university exams. And sir, I topped in my class in my college in computer science, which is one of the optional subjects I have. So the second year results are yet to be out, but I'm determined that I'm hopeful that I've scored well. So I'm in the final year of my graduation as of now. So this is my educational qualification till now. And the subjects that I liked the most in school were sciences. So for 11th and 12th, I opted for sciences. However, were not being able to do well, even by practicing and everything, it really disheartened me. So I tried to introspect, and I realized that I have keen interest in political science, and it is going to help me in my competitive exams as well. So I opted for political science and computers, and I'm doing well in that subject, sir. So the teachers that I really liked from my school is Ma'am Shraddha. I have been fond of oratory and I have actively participated in that. Ma'am Shraddha motivated me to go for oratory, and she also discovered dramatics in me. And she really motivated me, helped me she taught us how to handle the stage, to speak confidently on the podium, the expressions that we have to make, and how to convince a crowd for the same. So Ma'am Shraddha has played a vital role. So in my college, sir, Our officiating principal, Ma'am Nandini Patania, made a huge impression on me. The way she carried herself like a bold young woman, I also wanted to see myself. I also want to see myself like her. The way she speaks, she's very
How
polite.
old was she?
So she just retired this very year. She's 58.
58. Okay.
Yes, sir. And so she retired, and however, the way she speaks on the podium, her speech is very deliberate, very soft-spoken lady, and I imagine myself to speak like her whenever I go on the stage. So these two teachers, and she's been extremely helpful while I had to go for the camps in NCC in my first and second year of training. She really motivated me for that as well, sir. So in these terms, they are there. So I'll come back to my interests and hobbies and the achievements that I've had here. So I'm fond of oratory, traveling, photography and journaling, sir. For me, oratory started right from school, from my 8th standard, and my extracurricular participation in NCC made me explore this arena rather. While in 8th standard, I joined the National Cadet Corps, and in my very first year, I got the opportunity to represent my unit, my region for RDC camp. So there I did a commentary for Vice President, Chief of Army Staff and horse show commentary, and I was awarded with a gold medal for the same. So this was my NCC exposure in school. In 9th, in school,
This
sir.
was from school?
Yes, sir, in RDC 2015, sir. So in 9th I participated in inter-house declamation competition, and I stood as the best speaker. In 10th, sir, I participated in inter-school one-act play, and I was adjudged as the second person there. I stood second there, sir.
One act play.
Yes, sir, we had a one-act play. So then in 11th and 12th, I participated in it was a college fest. I participated in one of the debates there, and I stood second there, sir, in Shriman Jai Singh Rao. So when in college, again I got the opportunity to be an NCC cadet. With the past experiences of my NCC, sir, without any second thoughts, I opted for NCC again. In my very first year, I directed a play on Kargil Divas in the college, which was highly applauded, and I came into recognition of everyone in the college for the same. After that, sir, I participated in a debate conducted by Election Council. I stood second in the college. Then sir, I participated in MUNs, one in Shimla itself and other one in IIT Roorkee. The participation in IIT Roorkee, the achievement was that I got a verbal mention for my verbal ability for the same. Taking it ahead, in my second year of NCC, I participated in exercise NCC Yogdan, which was to help the civil administration during the COVID-19 period when everything was in the lockdown. So subsequently, I directed another play on Atmanirbhar Bharat, and it is very much on the YouTube as well. And everyone from the group and directorate of NCC really applauded us and liked us for the same. So then taking it ahead, again the RTC selections came into play. I went for it. I stood the best cadet of Himachal. Then I competed in Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh and Chandigarh region. I stood the best cadet there, sir. However, couldn't make it to RTC 2021. That did demotivate me, but I stood again and participated for youth exchange program. I have been interviewed by the DG NCC and I am waiting for the results which will be coming in next 2 weeks, sir. This has been my NCC participation, my oratory participation as well, sir. Covering the traveling and journaling part, along with it the photography. I have been extremely fortunate to travel places with my father, and now I travel alone also in Shimla to the outskirts. So I discovered small villages, people there. I click their pictures and then I get them developed and I paste them in my diary. I write about the location I have been to, the people I met there, and what all activities and what all interactions I had with them. This is what I covered in my journaling part, sir. So I'll take you again back to my school, discussing about my friends. We were a group of 9 girls in school, sir, and all of us were in.
9 girls in the school.
So it's an all-girls school, sir.
So there were only 9.
No, sir. My group had 9 girls.
Oh.
We were a group of 9 girls.
Group of 9. That is
Yes,
friendship.
yes, sir.
Circle.
Yes, sir. We were friends right from 4th to 10th. We still are friends today. However, after 10th, our streams got bifurcated. We were in different cities, so the communication stopped. But during the COVID-19 period, we came together and enjoyed again. My best friend is Gunjan Negi. She lives close by to my house. In college, I made another friends in my NCC as well. The play I directed with them, we had a good synergy and we turned out to be very good friends. And sir, another friend of mine is Ananya Gautam. We both have interest in photography. So
This is in college.
yes, sir. She's older to me. However, because of photography, we turned out to be good friends. So these are my friends, and our topics of generation are our topics of interest. While in school, we discussed about the house activities that we have, or the declamation competitions which we were practicing. Since all of us were into it, then we used to participate actively. In college, sir, because of NCC, our topics became NCC. We covered about the play also, and we had adequate time to discuss about that. When I'm into photography, sir, I usually take Ananya with me to discover all those remote places around. So we have a good time there. Sir, in my family, we have 5 family members. My father, my mother, and I have 2 younger siblings. My father is serving as an army officer. As of now, he is posted as the deputy commander of NCC Group headquarters in Nakulam. Otherwise, he is coming from military intelligence. My mother belongs to Shimla itself, and she is working there in the postal department. I have 2 younger siblings. My younger sister is in class 12th, and my younger brother is in class 7th. He is studying in a boarding school in PPS Nabha. We have a new member in our family, a small dog, Beagle. We have named him Coco, who just 6 months back came into our family.
Beagle.
So Beagle.
When did you get it?
So this April.
We lost our beagle.
I'm sorry for your
Have you
loss.
taken that same of ours?
No, sir, we did not.
Could be.
It could be. The life came again, and that is why.
Because we've published it in the newspapers all over
Sir.
that we've lost him and we are looking for the culprit who's taken him.
But our Beagle is just 1 month old. Was 1 month old then. Now he is 7 months old. So
Then
it's
it is
okay.
not right. That-
Yeah, I got saved here. Yes, sir. Yes. So he's a new member, and he keeps us busy all the time in the family as well. So my father has always stayed away from us. My younger siblings have completed education in Shimla, and my mother is also there. So we have adequate more time with her. However, when my father comes on leave, we make sure to go on trips in and around Shimla. So usually in school we used to get 3 months winter vacations. That was the luxury of studying in Shimla. So 2 months we used to spend with our father in the station where he is posted, and then 1 month we used to go back to our hometown, sir, in Kolhapur. We used to spend time in our farms with our grandmother as well. And we used to enjoy a lot there, sir. I learned swimming, cycling during that time only in these 3 months winter vacation in our hometown, or otherwise the places he's been posted to.
Your hometown is?
Kolhapur,
Kolhapur.
Maharashtra. Yes, sir. So I have very good relations with both of them. Both of them find me very responsible from a very young age. They've made me independent, allowed me to opt for things I want to, and extremely been supportive of me, sir. And they have enthralled a lot of trust in me and in my dreams. And however, I'm a little close to my mom because she stays with me all the time, and we've been good friends with each other. So whatever, now I've learned driving also, so to go and take her from the office and to get her back, so we both enjoy those little drives as well. So my routine for the day is I'm an early riser. I wake up at 500 hours, then I go for running for about an hour or some, and then I exercise. After that, sir, when I fall back, I was during this COVID-19, sir, I was teaching a young child He had a hearing disability, so I thought of just teaching him, and I used to go and take his classes morning 7:30. The moment I come back from my running around 6, I have a glass of water again, get ready, have a little breakfast, then go at 7:15. It was close by to my house. Go and teach him for another 2 hours. Fall back, sir. 10 o'clock my online classes would start. Then 10 to 2 I had my online classes. Then 2 to 3, sir, I usually just did whatever little homework I had to do or something in NCC. Then, sir, from 3 to 5 I continued with my other activities of participation in the home and things that have to be done. Then, sir, 5 o'clock I used to leave and pick my mother up from her office. That would take another 1 hour. I would fall back. 7 to 8 I would study for competitive exams. Then 8 to 9, sir, dinner. Then again 9 to 10:30 studying for the competitive exams and other preparations, sir. So by 10:30 I do sleep, and then again the same routine starts. So this is about the routine I have.
There is one more question that you probably forgotten.
So if you could please remind.
Think a little. What's your aim in life, and how do you plan to achieve? What's the roadmap?
Yes, sir. Thank you for reminding me that. So my aim in life is to become a very good army officer, just like my father. And how I'm preparing for that? I'm an NCC cadet, sir. It keeps me busy. I organize events there. It is increasing my leadership qualities. Simultaneously, I'm preparing for my SSB preparation. I read, I go through the news, sir. Because of Best Cadets competition in NCC, I have been.
Tell me what's happening in the country. Give me 3 important news of the nation.
So as of now, our Prime Minister is, we had the BRICS virtual meeting on 9th of September. That is the first
Just
thing.
topics, 3 points.
So the 3 points. So the Quad meeting is going to take place, and Prime Minister is going to visit for that. And so one more. Sorry, sir.
Happenings during the last week in India.
So last week, sir, we had evacuation also, Operation Durga, from to get the Afghanistan.
That was about 2 weeks back.
So that is all
That
the
was
news. That was when I was home and I was updated from that news.
So that's what I want to know.
Yes.
One more news concerning the nation.
So that is all I know. Sorry.
Nothing else. Prime Minister inaugurated some university yesterday or day before.
Sorry, sir, not aware about that.
So during the last, okay.